To start picking process, at the bottom of the page, click on Start Picking. Internally, this will shift the order status from accepted to picking, while on the customer's end, the preparing status will be displayed. My Suki vendors have the option to print their pick list or to tally everything on the My Suki portal. To print the pick list, click on the Print button at the bottom of the page. The file will automatically be downloaded to your device, ready to be printed. Alternatively, you may go straight into tallying the quantity of available items based on the customer's order. To do this, click on the Edit button at the bottom of the page and input the picked quantity per line item. In case you cannot serve some of the items listed on the order, it is advised that you contact the customer via call to confirm if they are still willing to push through with their order given the changes. When you are done with all the pick list changes, make sure to click on Save. The customer's bill will automatically be recalculated based on the changes made on the pick list. The changes will also be reflected on the customer's view of the My Suki app. In case the customer requests to change fulfillment options from delivery to pickup and vice versa, all you need to do is to click on the icon beside the order date and time. Pickup is represented by the shopping bag icon, while delivery is represented by a truck icon. A prompt window will appear confirming your action. Click on OK to proceed with the change. To end the picking process, at the bottom of the page, click on End Picking. Doing this will shift the order status internally from picking to done picking, while on the customer's end, the status preparing will still be displayed. For more information, please refer to our documentation docs.suki.io.